Mickey's Magic Kingdom is a sick place these days. An outbreak of measles that started at Disneyland has now infected close to 70 people across the U.S. West Coast.
Let's put your elbow right down in there. That's good.
And authorities are warning anyone planning a visit needs to be vaccinated or to have had the measles. Canadians heading down are apparently listening.
Today, the clinic's phones have been ringing off the hook. People are very aware of this as a problem as they take their winter breaks to sunnier climes. And people want to know if it's safe to travel, if they should be getting this vaccine.
Measles is one of the most contagious diseases on Earth. It starts with a bad fever, leads to a severe rash, and in rare cases, infection of the brain and death. It spreads through coughing and sneezing, and the virus can linger for several hours after someone's coughed. So one person with measles could quickly infect a room full of others who aren't vaccinated.
Disneyland is the perfect situation because lots of people, lots of children.
Measles was considered wiped out in North America 15 years ago after the development of vaccines and a successful inoculation program. But lately in Canada and the U.S., vaccination rates have been slipping.
It's very worrying for us. Obviously, we want everybody who's vaccine eligible to be vaccinated. We don't want to see any outbreaks of measles whatsoever.
Last spring in BC's Fraser Valley, one of the largest measles outbreaks in decades started at this Christian school. By the time it was over, more than 400 people got sick. A lot of parents refused to vaccinate their kids for religious reasons or for fears of side effects. And doctors say that's why outbreaks like the one in BC and now in Disneyland keep happening.
I don't think it's a plausible argument. These diseases haven't left the planet, and we're still susceptible. And I think it's a tragedy that we allow children to get sick.
In California, those who contracted measles were apparently infected in late December and early January, so more cases could turn up. The word from Disney management is still, please come, but make sure the kids are vaccinated. Chris Brown, CBC News, Vancouver.